Ready to unlock the power of tax-free investing and watch your money grow faster? First, download the Wealthsimple app and tap the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. You'll need to provide some personal information like your name, address, and social insurance number for tax purposes. Next, select TFSA as the type of account you want to open. Wealthsimple will guide you through a questionnaire to determine your investor profile and risk tolerance. This helps them recommend suitable investments for you. Now for the fun part, choosing your investments. Wealthsimple offers a range of options, from individual stocks and ETFs that track market indexes, to managed portfolios tailored to different risk levels. ETFs are a great choice for beginners, offering diversification at a low cost. To fund your TFSA, simply link your bank account and transfer funds. Consider setting up automatic contributions to consistently invest and take advantage of compounding returns. Keep in mind your annual TFSA contribution limit. Maximizing your contributions each year is key to maximizing tax-free growth. And that's it. You're now equipped to start investing in your TFSA with Wealthsimple, building a brighter, tax-free future.